Hello guys, my name is Don. Today I will show you how to compile a Python script. Okay, now as you can see here, we're going to create our Python script first. Make sure you install Python. Now there's two ways to install Python. First of all, you can do it via the MS Store. Believe it or not, believe it or not, the team behind Python actually published Python on the Microsoft Store. So open up Microsoft Store. Sorry about that, it take a while. Now search Python. As you can see here, you got a boatload of Python version. Now filter by apps. You can also filter all categories. Developer tools. Of course, this is a development tools, and then you will get a much more correct result. Python 10. Install the newest version. The newest version is Python 3.10. Alright, as you can see here, Python 3.10. Now you're going to want to click that and then get. Now the other way itself is by going to their website, Python. As you can see, type python.org/downloads and then click download Python 3.0 like here. Download the latest version for Windows. Now as you can see, once you have done that, right click, open up Python idle. Sorry about that, I'm currently installing my Logitech right here. New file. My PC itself is getting noisy. Okay, once you open up Python idle, go to a file, then proceed, click new file, and then it will open up this. Now let's begin typing, shall we? Now import OS, import sys. Now print. Okay, let's change this up from type from OS import star asterisk like here. From OS import. You know what, the font itself is ugly, so this is what I meant. Let's open up the notepad, shall we? Right here. No, edit. Okay, I'm pretty sure you already know what I meant. View. Yeah. Alright, print. Hello world system. And after that, click save. Hello world.py. You can name it whatever you want as long as it has a .python extension .py. Don't save. Now as you can see here, run the script to test it out. As you can see, it works. Yeah, it works. The syntax highlighting on Python is really freaking horrible. Yeah. Let's change this to system and then we run again, okay, that's a bit weird. Let's ignore that. Well, we know that our script is working as the way it should be. Hey, it actually worked. Okay, now run your Python script compiler right here. It's called autopy2exe. That's the file name. Now, as you can see here, the application will look like this. If you haven't installed it already, here, go to the terminal, Windows CMD. I'm using Windows Terminal right now, but it's basically just Windows CMD but on steroids. Now type this on your Windows Terminal. As you can see, pip install autopy2exe. So this is a Python package. As you can see, we are going to use pip. If you already installed Python, then pip should be came bundled with Python installer, and then you don't have to install pip manually. Now, after you install that, test it out. Make sure that the package works correctly by going into the Python console. Here, this is the Python console. Type import import autopy2exe, or as you can see, just search it up by yourself. Here I'm going to use a program called Everything. As you can see, search this on this Everything program, and then it will give you this result, autopy2exe. Now the location itself is on your Python script. As you can see, the location of this program is on your Python script. So just go to this directory. The directory will be in the description below. I will copy it for you. Now here it is. After that, you can finally run it. Now, script location, we're going to hide this terminal right here. Script location, path to file, browse, desktop. Since our script is on the desktop, we're going to pick here. As you can see, now the option one file, one directory, we're going to choose one file. Okay, since we are going to compile a Python script, we are going to choose one file. Console window or window base, really depends on your Python. Here in this tutorial, we are creating a console application. Now here we are going to pick console base, but if you are going to create a GUI application on Python, then pick window base, aka hide the console right here. Hide the console right here. As you can see, this is the console. It will hide the console for you. Now you can add icons, which is nice, if provided that you already have made the icon for your compiled Python exe. Now in advanced, you can put description on it. General option, name, put your name in here, and then put your description, yada yada yada. Here we're just going to compile, convert. Click this button right here. It says convert py to exe. Now just wait for the program to compile. As you can see here, we already done. Now this program itself provides a really really handy button right here. Open output folder right here. Press this button right here that says open output folder, and then we have our own result right here. Now ignore all of this crap. Alright, now as you can see, our compiled program is here. See, this is hello world.py. alright, hello world.py, and this is the program hello world.exe. Now run it. Oh my god, Windows Defender looks like it blocks our compiled Python file. Now if your Python file gets blocked by your antivirus, simply allow it. Now as you can see, all it does is this. Yeah, that's pretty much the result. Now as you can see, that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.